I am delighted to announce that the Group has delivered another set of strong results for the 12 months to 31st of May 2016. Revenue increased by 56% to reach £209.1 million, with strong growth coming from both the Assurance and Escrow divisions. Organic growth was 19%, while Group adjusted operating profit, which is our key measure of profitability, increased by 46% to £38.4 million. Continental Europe contributed £34.2 million, or 16% of Group revenue, while the rest of the world revenue, which is mostly derived from the US, increased to £52.9 million, some 25% of Group revenue. Group EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortisation, was up 48% to £43.7 million. Adjusted diluted earnings per share improved by 19% to 11.2 pence, up from 9.4 pence in 2015. We have continued our progressive dividend policy and increased the total dividend by 17% to 4.65 pence. As a result of continued strong organic growth, NCC Group entered the FTSE 250 in December 2015. Accumuli has been fully integrated into the business, and the Fox IT integration is on track, with the global rollout of services expected to start during the 2016-2017 financial year. Escrow. Escrow continues to be the Group's cornerstone of profitability and cash generation, and has experienced its strongest growth in 10 years. All of the Escrow businesses offer substantial margins, a high degree of recurring revenue due to the contract renewal rates, along with notably strong cash conversion characteristics. Total Escrow revenue increased by 10% to £35.3 million, whilst operating profitability grew by 6% to £20.1 million. Assurance. Cybercrime is now the single biggest threat to businesses and individuals around the world. The threat of being hacked or having valuable data stolen continues to evolve rapidly and is growing at a seemingly unstoppable pace. Phishing, fake payment requests and ransomware attacks are now an everyday occurrence, and incidents have increased massively, providing lucrative rewards to the miscreants who perpetrate such attacks. Revenue in the Assurance division grew by 74% to £168.9 million, reflecting strong organic growth in all areas. Security consulting revenue increased, including a contribution of £14 million revenue from the recently acquired Fox IT for the period December 2015 to the year end. Operating profits in the Assurance division increased by 52% to £25.8 million. Following the integration of Accumuli, the Group's managed security service offerings have been consolidated so that there is a single client solution. Software testing and web performance revenues grew by 33% to £30 million, with a recurring revenue of £7 million within web performance. Assurance order books have increased to £53.1 million. The Assurance division now has more than 1,500 employees globally, with one of the largest multinational accredited security testing teams of consultants in the industry. As such, we are now well positioned to meet our aspirations of becoming the leading player in the global cybersecurity market. Domain services. Following a strategic review after the year end, the board has taken the difficult decision to divest and reallocate some of the assets in the Domain Services division. The Group continues to believe that safe, controlled, generic or branded domains will play a major part in the Internet landscape in the years to come, but has recognised that other opportunities will provide a faster return on Group assets and investments. As a result, certain parts of the division will be divested in due course, although the capability to provide a secure domain environment will be retained. Domain Services saw revenues reach £4.9 million. However, the Group expects to withdraw from this sector by the end of the financial year 2017. Dividends. The board is recommending a final dividend of 3.15 pence per ordinary share, making a total for the year of 4.65 pence. Since the group's flotation in July 2004, the dividend has increased from 0.42 pence to 4.65 pence, a compound annual growth rate of 25%. Outlook. The outlook for NCC Group remains very positive. The group is operating in a number of fast-growing international markets where it can offer its existing extensive capabilities as well as new and innovative products and services. The group will continue to actively seek to acquire services-led businesses in both Europe and North America to complement its geographical and technical presence. In addition, new offices will be opened in Singapore and Dubai, with consideration being given to a significant central London office. We remain tightly focused on delivering client peace of mind and risk mitigation. We offer a complementary range of services with the breadth and depth to continue to provide multinational clients with a total solution to address their business issues. The expansion of our offerings through the acquisition of Fox IT substantially increases the group's ability to provide an international end-to-end service to customers. Over the next 12 months, we will begin to integrate the business within our assurance division to exploit the operational synergies and the global market opportunities. In total, the group's orders and recurring revenues for the current financial year have increased by 67% to £104.6 million. As a consequence of all of these factors, the board is confident that the group can continue to deliver sustainable growth and enhance shareholder value.